Here you go. Here you go. Another one? Give him a piece of cheese?
Yeah.
Here you go. Another one? Did you chew that one? Another one? You like the cheese monster? Put a piece of cheese in his hand. He eats it. And he wants more. And then he wants more. One more? Okay. Maybe you should chew what's in your mouth. How much cheese do you have in there? A lot of cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah, you eat your